how are you all? So my name is Nida Malik Beauty, as you can see. So my channel is all about makeup tutorials, skincare related videos, reviews on different products which I personally use and I love them. Makeup is my passion and I want you all with my talent, and I'm a self-taught makeup artist. More of the videos, please click on the subscribe button, don't forget it. Stay tuned for more videos. Today I'm going to show you my dramatic blue, sky blue kind of look. I hope you guys will like it. Hello beautiful girls, so let's dive in our tutorial. Here I'm using CeraVe moisturizing cream because I suffer from dry skin and it really helps me get hydrated for my makeup. Here I have this Sephora brow gel in color dark, and I'm gonna fill my eyebrows with this gel, just filling it, you know, wherever I see the gaps in my brows, so just giving them the shape I want. So here I'm using the new formula Huda foundation Fox Filter Luminous Matte in the shade Shortbread 200B, and I'm just blending it in my skin. Here I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC20. I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes to cover those circles, dark circles, whatever you call it. So here I am just applying on my neck. Don't forget your neck curls. So I'm taking inglot sculpting powder in 505 shade number. I'm just applying it on my nose. I really like this powder. It blends so nicely, so evenly. Really like powders from inglot. And just sculpting my cheeks, and also the size of the cheeks and that jawline. Don't forget that jawline. Yeah, just blending it now. Now I'm applying the She Glam Clear and Bright Liquid Blush, or highlighter you can call it, in the shade Torrid. It's a very beautiful peachy shade. Really love it. It's really easy to apply and blend it. I really love the creamy texture. I just blend it easily with a stripling brush. Here I just took the color Zola from the Masquerade palette from Juvia's and applied it in my inner corners in the beginning of the eyes and blended it evenly. Now I took the James Charles palette. I took the shades Playground and Brother and applied it evenly in my middle and the outer corner of the eyes. Now I'm applying Playground actually at the moment. This is a matte shade. These both shades are matte, and the beginning shade which I used was a little bit shiny with shimmers, but the rest of the shades which I will use are matte. Here I'm just blending with my Sigma Blending E25 brush. It's a really great brush to blend any type of eyeshadows. It blends so smooth like butter. So nice and so easy to use. I really love Sigma brushes and MAC brushes for any eye makeup. Here I'm blending the corners with MAC 242S. It's a really good brush to blend any kind of edges. Make sure you always blend your eyeshadows, okay? Here I just took my NYX pencil. I really love this, slides on so smoothly. This is in shade Azure. So I'll just underline my lower lashes with it, and it has a bit of sparkle and it will add that, you know, shiny sparkle in my eyes because the rest of the eyeshadows are matte. Here I just took the very lightest color in James Charles palette. I'm just highlighting my underbrows. I really like highlighting it. So this one is NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in black. I really love this eyeliner also. I'm just gonna do a very small wing. So here I have this Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I really love this mascara. It gives you that length. So I'm just applying it because we're gonna use the lashes falsies. So I'm not gonna put too much, but a little bit. These are lashes in Farah from Pinky Goat. So I'm gonna apply these, and now I'm done. Applied it off camera. This one is MAC highlighter in Oat Darling. Really love this highlighter. It gives you that, you know, foiled kind of shine on your cheeks. I really like it. So here I thought of using this beautiful peachy nude shade from hudabeauty. This is in Feminist, and I love the texture on these demi matte. They are not matte and they are not glossy. So guys, if you have any kind of request for makeup tutorials or reviews or anything skin related, please do let me know in the comment box. And this is my first ever YouTube video, so show some love please. Thank you so much everyone for watching this tutorial. Love you all.